Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new unboxing here for you today. Again, this is the Haiboxing 16889. I got this sent to me from Haiboxing, so I'm super excited about this one. It's a off-road racing truck, 4x4, 1/16 scale, completely ready to run, 390 sized motor. So let's open the box up and see how it looks like. Okay, so we've got the instruction manual. Ooh, check this out. This is the truck. Looks real nice. Transmitter, steering trim, speed dial, steering reverse. Decent transmitter. Battery. Let's see. LiPo, 25C, 1000 milliamp. Decent battery. Jeans plug. Some extra body clips. USD charger. Oh, nice. Some extra shocks here. This looks like oil shocks without oil in them. Pretty sweet shocks. Aluminium caps here. This is nice. And your standard little wrench here. Okay, so this is cool. 2 body shells. 2 different colors. I think I prefer this one. This looks really nice. I mean, look at the colors. So sweet. Okay, so let's pop off the body here. Okay, so there's an additional battery in here. That's real nice. So should get a decent amount of runtime out of these two. Got the combined ESC receiver, 5-wire servo, on-off switch, 390 size motor with a cooling head on here. Got the metal center drive shaft there. Plastic drive shafts here, dog bones. A lot of plastic, but it feels real flexible. Feels nice. LEDs in the front here. That's real nice. In the bumper. Rear bumper. Got these little shock absorbers here and the bumpers. That's nice. A bit bouncy. These are just friction shocks, spring shocks. No oil in them. So I think this will be a really nice upgrade. Real nice. And yeah, front and rear diffs. That's nice. Nice size to the perfect backpack basher. So let's compare it to another backpack basher here. This is the WL Toys 144001. About the same size. A lot more ground clearance on this one. yeah, it's a real nice little truck. Feels like it could be real fun. So huge thanks to Haiboxing for sending this to me. Super excited about trying this out, and check how fast it is. So these body shells, they feel really nice. It's really nice, thick, but yet really flexible. They feel, I don't know, they feel different. So I think these will hold up for a lot of hardcore crashes. So nice. This is really nice. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, because got another one coming from Haiboxing. I will unbox in my next video. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button.
yeah.